Blue Kids Learning.
Baby shark, do-do-do-da-day, wiggle your tail and splash away. Tiny teeth and giggles wide, zooming through the ocean tide. Mama shark, swish swish shiny, glides so smooth and oh so spiny. Snaps her jaw with a happy grin. Let's all twirl and dive right in. Papa shark, big and bold, tells tall tales and stories old. Stomp your feet and clap along, boom boom beats and a bubbly song. Grandma shark, with a hat so cool, dances like a fantastic fool. Spin around and strike a pose, she's the queen wherever she goes. Grandma shark, slow but groovy, wears shades and loves a fishy movie. Tap your fins and nod your head, he brings the rhythm, cool as Fred. Sharky friends, do-da-dotty, wave your fins and swim with glee. Jump up high, then wiggle low, let your silly shark moves show. Baby shark, boogie, dance and play, splash and fun the sharky way. Shake your tail and sing out loud, you're the star, so dance real proud.